Hi friends, welcome back. Today we are going to solve another lead code problem to lowercase. Problem statement says implement function to lowercase that has a string parameter str and returns the same string in lowercase. We'll see the given examples. First example is input string as a hello in which first character is in the capital case, rest are in the smaller case. So expected output is all the smaller case characters in the same string. If input is containing all the smaller case, that will return the same as it is. Another example is that if we are given as a like all the characters are in the uppercase, so we'll convert them into the lowercase. So how should we go about solving this problem? This is the method that we need to complete. In this method, a string has been given as str. What we can do is that we can simply use the inbuilt method that says to lowercase, and it should work as it is. Java provide a method in the string class that it can convert all the characters into lowercase, and another is that can convert into uppercase. But as this may question may be asked in the interview, and if they says okay, you can't use the inbuilt method, then you may want to implement this by your own logic. So here I'm trying to help you in understanding what kind of logic you should be writing it here to so that you can write this method. So first you need to understand what all characters are there in the string. So first say we might have characters, those are like between A to Z or A to Z. So this is all are small or lowercase, and these are uppercase characters. So if we encounter any character which is in this range, we should not do anything. If we encounter any character in this range, then we should convert it to lowercase. Now, how do we convert a low uppercase character into lowercase? So if you go back and think about how A is represented into the memory is like A is having a ASCII value of 65, and now we want to convert this A into a small a, and a small a is having a ASCII value of 97. And how I know these values? These you can refer into ASCII table. Now how do we convert 65 into 97? Is that you add 32. So 65 plus 32 is equal to 97. We just need to implement this logic and your code should be working. Now, another question may come up, what if character is not in the ASCII range? So there may be like your string is Unicode, which this problem will not solve. Second is if it is a multi-byte string, then also this logic will not work. We are trying to solve this only for the ASCII characters. Okay. We'll write the code for this logic. And a string is a immutable object. So what we can convert it to char array and say we'll say array. String can give you two char array and it will get converted into char array. Here we need to go through this array. So we'll be writing a for loop I is less than array dot length, and then we will check each character if that is in the range. If array of I is greater than or equal to the beginning character, and an array of I is less than or equal to end character. If this is the condition, then we will convert this character into the lowercase character. 32. This is what we mentioned. But now, because we are adding the character and an integer, this will return an integer. But what we are storing is the character, so we'll have to typecast it to a character. And this will solve your problem. And you just need to this array, but you can't return a char array. You have to convert it to a string. So we'll just say create a new string object and say array, and it should work. It's taking some time. This may be due to my internet connection. And it works. We'll try to submit this and see if all test cases are passing. Yeah, it worked and it's giving you 100% faster than the other submissions. If you like this video, please like it and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for visiting.